Hey there, Weebly users! Looking to elevate your website with stunning video displays? Let me introduce you to the Video Lightbox Weebly app, a game changer for embedding YouTube and Vimeo videos on your site. Imagine this: a clean, responsive lightbox that showcases your videos beautifully and keeps your page clutter-free. Whether you're running a blog, a business site, or a portfolio, having a sleek video display can make all the difference. So, what makes the Video Lightbox app stand out from the crowd? First off, it's 100% responsive. That means your videos will look great on any device, be it a desktop, tablet, or mobile. No more worrying about awkward video sizes or cut-off frames. Next up, let's talk thumbnails. The app automatically generates thumbnails from your YouTube videos, which saves you time and hassle. But if you want a custom look, you can easily define your own thumbnails for both YouTube and Vimeo videos. It's all about giving you the flexibility to make your site truly yours. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply install the app from the Weebly App Center and you'll be embedding videos in no time. Just copy and paste your video URL, set your custom thumbnail if you wish, and you're good to go. No coding skills required. One of the standout features is its Lightbox display. Unlike traditional video embeds that clutter your page, the Lightbox creates a focused viewing experience. It's like giving your audience a front-row seat to your content without any distractions. And let's not forget the cross-platform compatibility. Whether you're a fan of YouTube or prefer Vimeo, the Video Lightbox app has got you covered. This versatility is perfect for creators who use multiple video platforms. So to sum it up, the Video Lightbox Weebly app is a powerful tool to showcase your videos in a sleek, professional manner. With its responsive design, custom thumbnail options, and easy setup, it's a must-have for any Weebly user looking to enhance their site. Ready to unlock the power of Video Lightbox on your Weebly site? Head over to the Weebly App Center and give it a try today. Your videos deserve to shine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Weebly site. See you next time.